A quick insight from WellView 365, powered by freshnews.ai. Executive Summary. Operational efficiency in clinical settings now encompasses how consistently and accurately patient-facing information is created, reviewed, and distributed across channels. Structured workflows, centralized ownership, and standard templates turn frontline communication into repeatable infrastructure rather than scattered tasks. The result is faster, more reliable updates that reduce errors, support staff capacity, and protect both patient experience and compliance. Today's signal. Operations leaders are tightening frontline communication workflows as staffing freezes and new fiscal plans expose gaps in how quickly patient messaging updates propagate. Ad hoc email blasts and manager handoffs cannot keep pace with changing schedules, protocols, or service status across locations. The risk is that outdated instructions stay in circulation longer, creating a safety and experience problem, not just an inefficiency. WellView 365 enables streamlined internal staff communication by centralizing scheduling orchestration, handoffs delivery, and protocols conversion across end-to-end delivery paths. Why it matters? Here are 4 takeaways. First, outdated patient instructions on screens, handouts, or portals now flag a breakdown in operational control, not a minor delay. Second, manual staff-by-staff updates consume capacity already constrained by hiring freezes and tight staffing plans. Third, inconsistent messaging between sites or shifts increases call volume and walk-up questions that slow front desk and clinical workflows. Fourth, regulatory or policy changes that do not reach patient-facing channels quickly increase compliance scrutiny on operations teams. How it works in practice. A common example is a policy or scheduling change that must appear across waiting room screens and signage, check-in desks, and patient handouts before the next clinic day. A central team drafts the message, legal or compliance reviews it, and site managers are asked to update local screens, print materials, and staff binders. The process breaks when each location tracks updates in its own spreadsheets or email threads, so some sites publish late or not at many. When operations define a single owner, standard templates, and a central calendar, updates move in one batch, status is visible, and follow-up outreach targets only lagging sites. One practical adjustment: designate one operational owner for patient-facing updates today. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, map the current path for a patient-facing update from draft to live across 2 or 3 representative clinics. Second, review list all channels where patients see operational information and identify who owns updates in each channel. Third, create a simple request template that captures the message, effective date, and required locations for any new update. Fourth, set a weekly 15-minute review to check which updates are pending, live, or overdue and trigger targeted follow-ups. Read more at wellview365.com.